So today what we're gonna be doing is replacing the oil on the E36 BMW. Right now we need a win, like extremely we need a W, because the M3 has been kicking my ass, no lie, and I need some good news, and I just need something that's gonna cheer me up. Today might be the day that we drive the E36, and hopefully it is, but as you can tell, once I show you, there's a whole bunch of wires everywhere. So we gotta zip tie those. The car is ready to get the new part installed, because we got the new sway bar link part already came in, and we're gonna do the oil change because I noticed that the oil, I think, is pretty low. We're gonna start the car. Let's hope everything goes well, and we do see quite a bit of oil, at least 5 quarts coming out of this car, because if at least 5 quarts do not come out of this car, I'm about to be upset. Your boy needs a win, especially dealing with the M3. But don't worry, we're gonna be taking care of that soon. It's a cold starter, the 1997 328 IS. Okay, you guys, the car just gave me like a little maintenance light. It said that I gotta check the cooling level, which is not the best sign, but let's hope that the coolant and the oil did not mix together or blew up or something like that. Okay, so like I said, the car gave me a maintenance light telling me that the coolant level is low. So we're gonna find out if there's any leaks. I believe I mentioned this in my previous videos that the radiator has a lot of residue, a lot of coolant residue everywhere, and I believe it's actually, matter of fact, is cracked somewhere or it's leaking somewhere. That's not that noticeable, but all the residue that's all over the radiator so far, it's not leaking, but we'll see how it goes. There is a leak though, and we do need a new radiator, that's for sure. Okay, you guys, so we're under the beast. We're under the belly. So this is the sway bar, and that is the sway bar link right here. And that's the part we're also gonna be replacing before we take it out for a drive. And the bolt is right there for the oil pan. Let me zoom in. That's the bolt right there. It's 17mm bolt. So we're gonna be taking that off and draining all the oil. Here, let me put you to the side just so you guys can see. Taking off the oil filter, and this is a special tool for these filters, and this one I believe it's a 36mm. We're gonna be taking that off. this bad boy out. Place it with that new. I like that too. If you guys have like a little pick or something, it'll be a whole lot better and a whole lot easier to remove this gasket. Believe me on this. Just makes your life that much easier. But always expect to get yourself dirty, even a little dirty when you're dealing with this, or even dealing with the car in general. There it is. I like to just lube it up, you know, just get the surface oiled up so it won't be causing too much friction when you try to put it back. So please remember, do not over tighten your filter housing. So it's still draining, as you can tell. There you go. So that's the new washer. You need this so it can tighten it up over there and not cause any leaks. And that's how you do it, you guys. And that's an oil change on a 1997 E36 BMW 328 IS. Damn, that's a mouthful. But it is what it is. Now, all these wires, we're gonna put some zip lines and we're gonna organize them and we're gonna place them somewhere where they won't be rubbing anything or disturbing anything at all. Okay, guys, so we got the new sway bar link right here. All those right here. We're gonna be removing this one to install this one. There will be a freaking bee right there hovering around me. Yes, sir. Oh shit! That motherfucker's on me. That bee. I try to stay steady. Oh God. Okay, you guys, we're back. That bee's gone. Oh God. That shit was hovering around me. And that shit landed on my ear. I'm not sure if you guys seen it, but oh damn, I thought I was about to get stung for a second. So the only way to install this sway bar link is to jack up the suspension so it can get higher and finally align with the sway bar itself, because there's two holes in the sway bar at the end and you got to fit the sway bar link inside one of those holes. So in order to do that, you're going to have to lift up the suspension so it can align properly. As you can tell, there's a little sound coming from the engine. Also, there's engine smoke. A lot of this could just be like stuff that got left over on the manifold and this is burning off. I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit to see how it is and to see if it does go away. Alright, okay. So after my first drive in the car, but so far, the clutch is good, power steering reservoir is shot, brakes are shot, rotors seem pretty good. Don't you hear that whining? Yeah, that whining is for the power steering. And it's really bad too because yeah, it's not good. We need alignment. We gotta fix that interior. We gotta fix the windows. Believe me, there's a list on top of the list that I just gave. But it's gonna be fun though. I'm excited. Also, the smoke went away already. All of it got burnt off. So now the next thing to do is to keep on assembling this car. Thank you guys for watching, And please comment, subscribe, and also watch out for my next videos, alright? Because I got 4 videos that I still gotta edit. I finished one already, so that one's coming out, I think, by today or by tomorrow. Other than that, remember this, don't ever give up. I needed this win, I did.